I love my room.
Who built it for you, babe?
Stephen B.
The do-it-yourself crazy mofo?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, guys, it's another cool November morning. Looking out the window of the porch. You know, put us another log on the fire. That crab apple's a little hard to burn. You know, I should have cut it up, but you know, I did that short on the rocking chair. And like all this new wave stuff hooked together with nuts and bolts, screws. You know, it has several. You know, I don't know. Starts to wiggle, snap that bar or the peg, you know. So I think I'm gonna drill through with 3/4 inch, put a dowel in there. That one's not broke, it's just, you know, clean out the hole. Reuse that one, clean it up good. Glue it together, clamp it up. And then, you know, each piece could be unbolted. I don't know. But I'm gonna have to make it stronger because it probably didn't last long. I don't know. I'll be working on it. Slow but sure. The other side's pretty solid. You know, a little bit of issue on the runner. I don't know what I'm gonna fill that with, but I'll think of something. Cause I'm a shade tree engineer. Even though my tree, is lacking some shade. Like, subscribe, comment, hit that like button. Youth Truth Podcast. Fire's like a mountain climber. It always tries to climb uphill. You know, they eat sticks and bark in the winter. And she was checking out the pile of wood. Like she wanted something in there, so I gave her some to gnaw on. She got them sharp teeth, heck. That's why I play with other little toys when I play with her. But now I give it to her and she's got to go after the one in the bucket. Check her out. Whatever makes her happy. That's what I say. You know, it's kind of like the solarium makes my wife happy. Yeah, there's artwork in there. Oh, I was gonna show you she'll play with most anything. Come here, girl. I don't know if I can get the picture. But she's got them sharp teeth. Yeah, how's that for camera skills? That's my sewing kit. It's an obstacle course. Come here, sweetie. Come on. She's a great little pet that's wild and shares the porch with me at her choice. Comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, you know, it's a man cave and a rabbit named Sweetie. Come on, it's a sitcom soap opera that I've been planning as a philanthropy for our youth, you know, to try and earn some money. Figure out how to do a balance sheet at the Youth Truth Podcast, trying to help parents help their kids help themselves. Yeah, steady hands, huh, for a 65-and-a-half-year-old. Like, subscribe, comment, do it yourself. We'll try and learn a little business. And if I get some real wildlife going on other than what's on my porch, we might have a show. Right, sweetie? What a doll. It's a beautiful day out, sweetie. I thought she was gonna go check it out. Who knows? Will she or will she not? 'Cause I'm filming her. She's a smart little critter, warming herself by the little fire. Oh, cleaning. Something I should do. Well, I have all the things, and I do use that trash can. Oh, and a feather duster. You don't think I do it. I've showed it on my show. Not sponsored, but used all the time. I would hope that some of these big companies might have a heart for the youth, but they probably won't, because I advertise for free. Wish they were a sponsor, but they are not. That old crab apple's like coal. That's the grain so tight. That's why you use hardwood to build your rocking chairs. I'll have to find a hardwood dowel. Yeah, but it did finally climb uphill and get a little mesmerizing flames. Ooh, sit and enjoy that for hours. You won't listen to the bobbleheads. They're all telling you, no way. The naysayers, naysayers. I think it's real gold, but the trolls, they're the worst. But God bless America from the beginning. Me and Sweetie are partying on the porch. You want to hear Sweetie talk?
I am partying on the porch.
Partying on the porch with my Sweetie.
Party, party, party.
Yeah, listen to her. She's got a voice. Unless you want your face on film. I won't do it, babe. Party! Check it out. You know, she's setting up the Christmas tree. You know, I don't show you her side much. Party lights. Oh, we gotta add to pause it for a second. We might get a violation for listening to the radio. What a difference, huh, sweetie? You know, on my side, we got us a fire going on and a mess going on. But you know, you open the door.
Say what?
And your ladies making Christmas happen. You know, in the party room. You know, how many of you ladies got your own side of the porch? Hot diggity dog.
Hot diggity, damn diggity.
Say it again, babe.
Hot diggity, damn diggity. Ooh, what you do to me.
Oh, thank you, honey. Oh, there's that wabbit. Can we buy us a stairway to heaven?
My neck. So cheers.
Sandy Claus over there. Hot diggity dog. No, it's a wabbit. Yeah, I've always wanted to include some rock and roll. Yeah. Simple Man. All the above. Dream on, dream on. Yeah, that's what I need. You should have seen Sandy at 18. Water skiing behind my boat. Hey, you know, I'm a lucky man.
If I jumped at her.
There she
Oh,
goes.
there she goes. Go on, babies.
Oh, maybe a little cottontail.
I love my room.
Who built it for you, babe?
Stephen B.
The do-it-yourself crazy mofo?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So come on, guys. Laugh with me. Enrich your life and finances. I know it's a soap opera, but I tell you it's a sitcom about an old man, maybe a hillbilly hippie, on his porch. But this is America. You heard what she called me, Stephen B.
You
So smash that like button. Save you $1. Don't listen to the naysayers. They're not gonna find that fool's gold. Fool's gold.